Hey everyone, this is what my previous week looked like in my planner. It was not a very productive week for me, but if you want to see how I did all of this in Procreate, stay tuned and check out the video description to links for all of the brushes, images, clip art, and stickers that I used this week. So first I screenshot my weekly spread and then I go back to my monthly spread and I fill in the theme for the week for Treat Yourself Tuesday. And now I've pulled my weekly spread into Procreate and I'm pulling my number stickers in. I'm pulling in the numbers 6 through 12 because my spreads go from Monday to Sunday. And now I'm just aligning those and moving them up and then doing some readjustments. And then I go over the numbers with a marble texture brush, which I'll have a link to this in the comments. It's a really cool brush and it leaves a really cool effect. And so I filled those with a pink marble texture. And now I'm bringing in a blank to cover the bottom box where it says notes. So I decided to fill the first box in with pink, and now I'm making a little priorities list for Monday. And I just couldn't get it together Monday, you guys. It was crazy. I redid so many things in my planner a lot, and just really the whole day and everything that I did that day was just so off. So you'll see how many times I mess up when I work on my planner that day. But I'm filling in my Monday priorities, which I only got 2 of these things done. So that just is typical Monday. And I'm shrinking that down, and I put that aside. And now I am bringing in another box from a sticker set that I recently created. I haven't released these quite yet. And I'm writing the television programs that I like to watch that come on Monday. Teen Mom 2 and Floribama Shore, which if you're from Florida or Alabama, you know they misspell Floribama for that TV show. So now I am filling in that my stepson starts school on Wednesday. For a month straight, I've been thinking it was August 9th, but he actually starts August 8th. So I filled that in on the correct day. And I'm also writing down that I'm getting a piece of glass delivered for a desk that I've made. And now I'm writing in that I need to pack the extra bedroom. I accidentally wrote pack extra coffee because, again, it was Monday and my head wasn't there. But I corrected that. And now I'm bringing in the year 2018 and I'm bringing in a marble texture to put along the bottom. So now I'm marking off the 2 things that I did that day. It's kind of hard to see, but I marked them off in light pink. And I'm bringing in a paint stamp brush that I have. And in this, I was going to write a major case of the Mondays, but I couldn't make it work, so I just wrote Mondays. And I drew some lines, didn't like that, so then I just wrote over Monday. And now I'm bringing in a sticker from Free Pretty Things for You. And I'm making a little note to work harder tomorrow because Monday just was a total bust for me. So now I'm going back over where I wrote the word desk because it was just kind of sloppy. So I selected a lighter shade of purple and went back over it. And then I brought in another to-do list. And I tried to change the color, but since the original image wasn't black, it turned out kind of pixelated. So before I decided what to do with that, I filled in my priorities for the day. And that priority sticker is available in my Etsy shop. I'll link to that in the description. So I filled in my priorities and then I decided to bring in the original sticker again and go with that so it wasn't as pixelated. So now I'm importing a picture of my son that I took that day. We got him some of the Ryan's World toys that just launched at Walmart and he was so excited about it. And now I'm marking off the 2 things that I got done that day. And now I'm writing great ideas take priority because I had a really great idea for a product. It has to do with Procreate. I'm not announcing it yet, but I'll announce it soon. I hope to have it out within the next few days, but I'm really excited about it. And that's what I worked on all day on Tuesday. So I'm grouping that together, and now I'm inserting a heart stamp over the picture of my son. And now I'm inserting a picture of my stepson that I took on his very first day of 5th grade. And beside the picture, I'm writing 5th grade in green because that's his favorite color. So now I'm just sizing that down, and then I start drawing some watercolor tulips. I didn't have a lot to fill in on Thursday, so I just sketched these out really quick and changed the color to different shades of pink and then moved those to the bottom. So then I changed my brush and I write in Ryan's World because I had some Ryan's World toys that I needed to pick up from Walmart that day. And then I just write the word love in pink, and then I use a glitter brush to give it a glitter dipped effect. And I will link to all of my brushes in the video description because that's an awesome glitter brush. So now I'm using my planner sticker stamps, which are what I created on Tuesday, and they're now available in my Etsy shop and on Creative Market, so I'll link to those in the video description. And now I'm just changing the word weekend to pink. And now I'm selecting a planner sticker stamp, and I'm changing the color to orange and placing it on Friday, and I'm writing in everything I need to do that day. I plan on releasing a Procreate video, and I plan on creating a blog post and sending a newsletter to my subscribers. So now I'm bringing in a really cute picture that I took of my daughter on Friday where she's wearing some really cute sunglasses. And then I brought in a rescheduled sticker because I did not get anything done on Friday. And now I'm recoloring it. My daughter is teething, and so she's just been really grumpy and is only satisfied when she's being held. So we've been holding her nonstop, which has been great, but I just haven't been able to get anything done. So on Saturday, I released a set of Procreate brushes, and again, Ella was having another grumpy day, so I just really spent most of the day holding Ella. We took a little nap, and so that was really nice. And then I brought in a heart stamp and placed behind that. And now I'm writing unproductive but full of love because that is the perfect description of my week. And now I'm inserting a picture that I took of Maddox on Sunday, and I'm placing that. And then I grab one of my planner sticker stamps and insert that into Sunday. And instead of writing down what I need to do, I just wrote down what I did that day because planning ahead did not work out for me at all this week. And now I'm just writing that I need to set up my week for next week. And now I thought about bringing in some washi tape stamps, but then decided against it. So I deleted those, saved the image, and brought it back into GoodNotes. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more digital plan with me videos and digital planning tutorials. And check out my website, naptimealt.com, for tons of digital freebies that are available now.